What does the future hold for technology, and how will it continue to reshape our lives? Welcome to a sneak peek into tomorrow, where the line between the digital world and reality blurs thanks to the groundbreaking Apple Vision Pro. Developed by the technological giant Apple, the Vision Pro is an avant-garde device that fuses your digital content with your physical environment. This remarkable headset employs augmented reality technology to superimpose digital elements onto your real world, offering an unparalleled immersive experience. The Vision Pro sports a chic, lightweight design, masterfully crafted from high-grade materials like aluminum and glass. Its comfortable fit, adjustable headbands, and light seal attachments add to its allure. At its heart, the device is powered by a cutting-edge dual-chip architecture that fuses the prowess of the M2 chip and the AR-specialized R1 chip. But what truly sets the Apple Vision Pro apart is its ability to metamorphose familiar applications into an augmented reality spectacle. Picture this: browsing the internet with three-dimensional information bursting out of your screen, or viewing your photos and videos in a life-sized, fully immersive format. Apple also introduces a unique app store tailored for the Vision Pro, teeming with innovative apps built for its exclusive Vision OS operating system. This innovation paves the way for a spectrum of new experiences, from educational apps that breathe life into history and science to creative tools that empower users to manipulate three-dimensional objects in real time. The Vision Pro also introduces the world's first three-dimensional camera, enabling users to capture not just images and videos, but entire scenes in full 3 dimensions. This innovation breathes new life into the way we capture and relive memories, allowing us to zoom in, explore different angles, and truly immerse ourselves back into the moment. Apple underscores the importance of accessibility and privacy with the Vision Pro. The device is packed with features that cater to a diverse range of user needs. Moreover, Apple ensures that all data processing happens on-device, reinforcing the security of personal information. The Apple Vision Pro is not just another device, it's a monumental stride in augmented reality technology. While it currently wears a premium price tag, its innovative features and vast potential applications hint at a not-so-distant future where AR becomes an integral part of our daily lives. Be it for entertainment, education, or professional applications, the Apple Vision Pro is leading us into an exciting era of augmented reality. The future is here, and it's looking brighter than ever.